Experiment 14 Orsat apparatus. The aim of this experiment is to analysis of exhaust gases from 4-stroke single-cylinder petrol engine by Orsat apparatus. Here we can see the Orsat apparatus. See here, entire labeled Orsat apparatus is shown. Here the flue gases enters. Fused CaCl2 for drying flue gases. Here it is a filter, 3-way stopcock. Then there is absorption pipette containing ammonical cuprous chloride. Thereafter, this is absorption pipette containing alkaline pyrogallic acid. This is stopcock, water reservoir, absorption pipette containing KOH solution, graduated burette, and this is rubber tubing. So actually the construction is like this. The pipette 1 contains KOH, that is caustic soda or potassium hydrochloride. 250 gram potassium hydrochloride in 500 ml of boiled distilled water to absorb CO2. Pipette 2 contains an alkaline solution of pyrogallic acid, 25 gram of pyrogallic acid plus 200 gram of KOH, that is potassium hydroxide, in 500 ml of distilled water to absorb O2 and CO2. And pipette 3 contains an acid solution of cuprous chloride, 100 gram cuprous chloride plus 125 ml liquid ammonia plus 375 ml of water to absorb CO, O2 and CO2. So these are the equipments required: burette, U-tube manometer, stopcock, filter, pipette. And the observation table also contains these other specifications, rating, features and properties, quantity. The procedure is: the whole apparatus is thoroughly cleaned, stoppers greased and then tested for air tightness. The absorption pipettes are filled with their respective solutions to level just below their rubber connections. Their stopcocks are then closed. The jacket and leveling reservoir are filled with water. The 3-way stopcock is opened to the atmosphere and reservoir is raised till the burette is completely filled with water and air is excluded from the burette. The 3-way stopcock is now connected to the flue gas supply and the reservoir is lowered to draw in the flue gas in the burette. The sample gas mixed with some air is present in the apparatus, so the 3-way stopcock is opened to the atmosphere and the gas expelled out by raising the reservoir. This process of sucking and exhausting of gas is repeated 3-4 times so as to expel the air from the capillary connecting tubes, etc. Finally, gas is sucked in the burette and the volume of the flue gas is adjusted to 100 ml at atmospheric pressure. For adjusting final volume, the 3-way stopcock is opened to atmosphere and the reservoir is carefully raised till the level of water in it is the same as in the burette, which stands at 100 ml mark. The 3-way stopcock is then closed finally. The stopper of the absorption pipette containing caustic potash solution is opened and all the gas is forced into this pipette by raising the water reservoir. The gas is again sent to the burette by lowering the water reservoir. This process is repeated several times to ensure complete absorption of CO2 by KOH solution. The unabsorbed gas is finally taken back to the burette till the level of solution in the CO2 absorption pipette stands at the constant mark and then its stopcock is closed. The levels of water in the burette and reservoir are equalized and the volume of residual gas is noted. The decrease in volume gives the volume of CO2 in 100 ml of the flue gas sample. The volumes of O2 and CO are similarly determined by passing the remaining gas through alkaline pyrogallic acid pipette and cuprous chloride pipette respectively. The gas remaining in burette after absorption of CO2, O2 and CO is taken as nitrogen. This is the observation table. Here the amount of CO, amount of O2, amount of CO, amount of N2. We have to note down all these things. Here there are results and it is a conclusion. So there are logical questions. So first one is, what are the harmful effects of carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide? What will happen if the sequence of flue gas entering the pipettes is altered? So this is how this experiment is performed. Thank you.